These are all the parts. And I like the fact that this is all just a glass rim. When you break it all down, it's easy to clean, very easy to clean and then dry it. It's very well made. Everything is sturdy. Then this goes on, and it has a filter for the spout. Just snaps on there. This is the tea strainer. You can use it or not. It doesn't have to be in place to be able to boil your water. And then this has a little divot thing here on both sides, and you put it in the open position and then you slide it to close, and then you turn it on, and then you pick your temperature. But I don't have water in there, so I'm not going to do that. You just hold it down and it turns it off. I love this. Like
I only use the second day for the tea. You look at the bottom. It's become yellow.